Hi everyone, welcome to Eco Learning Classes. This is Professor Geeta Mahesh. Dear students, let us solve this question. Suppose demand and supply curve of wheat are given. The quantity demand is equal to 200 minus P and quantity supply is equal to 120 plus P. With the help of given equation, we need to find out equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity, demand and supply, and we need to find out the quantity demand supply when price is greater than equilibrium price, and find a quantity demand and supply when price is less than equilibrium price. We are talking about the equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity. What is equilibrium price? The price at which demand is equal to supply. So this is the equilibrium position where demand and supply curve intersect. By extending this equilibrium position towards a y-axis where price is measured, you can find out a equilibrium price. By extending from this equilibrium point towards x-axis where quantity is measured, you can find out equilibrium quantity at which our equilibrium quantity is the quantity which is brought and sold in the market. That means demand and supply is equal. So the quantity equilibrium quantity is nothing but a quantity brought and sold or quantity demanded and supplied. Now let us discuss how to find out the equilibrium price. First one is equilibrium price. We need to find out equilibrium price. We know that when demand is equal to supply, you can find out the equilibrium price. So let us write down market supply is equal to market demand. What is the equation given for quantity supply and quantity demanded? You can see here, according to the problem, 120 plus P is the quantity supply, 200 minus P is quantity demanded. And solve this equation. Bring the variable P one side. As we are bringing minus P towards the left side, it becomes a plus P equals 200. We will keep it as it is. So 200, when you take 120 towards the right side, it becomes a minus 120. So P plus P, you will get a 2P, and 200 minus 120, you will get it 80. So what will be the answer? P equals 80 divided by 2. You can see here P equals 80 divided by 2. It's mean that price is exactly equal to 40. So what is the equilibrium price? So you can see by definition, equilibrium price is the price at which supply is equal to demand. So by substituting the equations according to the formula to find out equilibrium price, at equilibrium price demand is equal to supply. You can find out easily equilibrium price, and equilibrium price is 40. So according to the formula, we need to find out the second one. Find the equilibrium quantity of demand and supply. So dear students, you can here substitute the value of equilibrium price to the equilibrium quantities. You can see here, to find out the equilibrium supply and equilibrium quantity, substitute in the equation. What is the equation for supply? QS equals 120 plus P. So what is the equilibrium price? According to the previous solution, we got P equal to 40. So 120 plus 40, you will get a 80. And here also you can see the equation for demand. QD equals 200 minus P. in the place of price, substitute the equilibrium price. You can find out the quantity demand, that is 200 minus 40 equals 180. So by definition we know what is equilibrium quantity and supply means. At equilibrium price, quantity demanded and supplied, or the quantity brought and sold, we call it as equilibrium quantity. So in the equation, if we substitute equilibrium price, you will get it what is equilibrium supply and what is equilibrium quantity demanded. And here in this solution you can see quantity supply is exactly equal to quantity demanded. Now let us discuss third question. What is this third question? Find the quantity of demand and supply when price is greater than equilibrium price. For that, see, if market price is greater than equilibrium price, say what is equilibrium price? The equilibrium price is equal to 40. Now any price greater than 40 if we consider, let us assume equilibrium price is 45, which is greater than equilibrium price. Now you can see here the quantity supply, you know the quantity supply is given here, you can see 120 plus P, and quantity demand is 200 minus P. Substitute the value in the place of P. Here 120 plus 40 you will get 165. 200 minus 40 you will get a 155. As price increases, demand decreases but supply increases. That means always supply is greater than demand when price is greater than equilibrium price. You can see here the quantity supply is 160 but quantity demanded is 155. Therefore, the quantity supply is greater than quantity demand when price is greater than equilibrium price, that is 40. Now, suppose you need to find out quantity demand and supply when price is less than equilibrium price. What is equilibrium price? Equilibrium price is equal to 40 and the market price should be less than 40. Let us assume the market price is 25 rupees. Now you can see in the equation you can substitute the market price which is less than equilibrium price, that is 25. See here 120 plus 25, 145. 200 minus 25, 175. We know when price is less than equilibrium price, demand, when price is less, demand is more and supply is less. Therefore, you can observe when the price is substituted less than equilibrium price, the quantity supply is 140 which is less than 145. Therefore, the quantity supply is less than the quantity demanded. Dear students, if you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.